YT34 Articulating Boom Aerial Ladder Fire Truck. Zoomlion's 34-meter articulating boom aerial ladder fire truck has successfully broken the monopoly of foreign products in the market, with leading technology and superior performance. The vehicle boom consists of 5 telescopic booms and one 3.5-meter articulating boom. The unique articulating boom variable amplitude system perfectly solves the problem of difficult positioning of the last meter of the straight boom aerial ladder working bucket. Traditional straight boom aerial ladder vehicles need to adjust the extension and amplitude of the main boom when approaching the target point. The amplitude of the action is large and needs to be repeatedly adjusted to be in place. The articulating boom aerial ladder vehicle can quickly locate the target location and achieve rapid rescue by adjusting the articulating boom separately. The vehicle is equipped with Zoomlion's third-generation new working budget and multiple intelligent control technologies, with more complete safety measures, more reliable leveling of the working bucket, and safer personnel inside the bucket. This car has a one-click deployment function, and a firefighter can complete the leg deployment and leveling actions in just 25 seconds. The humanized seats and operating interface provide operators with a more comfortable and convenient user experience. The rapid boom combat system can complete the action of extending the boom to the highest point and rotating 90 degrees in just 55 seconds, with high lifting height and fast response speed. The vehicle is equipped with a complete set of waterway system, including water pump, foam pipeline, 5-ton liquid carrying water tank, bilateral suction ports, water outlet and water injection port, 5-section aluminum alloy telescopic water pipe, articulating boom follow-up hose, and high-performance water monitor. The maximum fire extinguishing radius can reach 84 meters, and the water power performance far exceeds similar foreign products, greatly meeting the practical needs of fire rescue teams.